Welcome back to Unwrap the Wrap. So we have a new package today, which is from Collectible Stores. I'll pin down the website in the comment section. The package inside this is one of the most hyped 1:64 scale releases this year. So let's unwrap it. So this is officially the first package from Collectible Stores to Unwrap the Wrap channel. Good bubble wrap packing, I would say. So we have here in hand the Kaido House MINI GT BMW M3 in a 711 livery. The box art alone on this Kaido House release is next level, I feel. Even keeping this box sealed, the 711 graphic art makes it an absolute centerpiece. Shout out to Collectible for a quick delivery. Should we break the seal and open the M3 in the next video? Let me know in the comment and drop a like, subscribe to Unwrap the Wrap. See ya.